have in front of me a UniArch 4-channel 4K IP CCTV recorder kit. So basically what comes in this? Well, the main event clearly is the 4-channel IP NVR here. It has PoE ports, so it can power the cameras directly from the NVR itself. There's 4 cameras with them. Each of the cameras is that turret design. They're 5 megapixel and come with 30 meter IR, and it comes with an internal 1 terabyte hard drive. Can give you about 2 weeks of recording on a system like this. And then finally what we have 4 20 meter network cables here as well. So everything you need from beginning to end to install this system comes with it, okay? In terms of UniArch itself is part of the UniView range of products. So UniView is one of the largest CCTV manufacturers in the world. And so what's really great about this is, number one, the quality of the equipment is fantastic. The specs are extremely high. The setup on IP is extremely easy in terms of simply run the cable, plug it in, and that's it. There's no need for a local power source. So in terms of cabling it and running it, all you have to do is just run the one thing. You don't need a local power source for the cameras, etc. And the other thing about it is, once you have the system fully installed, the actual use of to get it to a point where it's on your smartphone, probably from starting to look at the video, get understanding where they are, and then actually going to do the installation, it's probably about 5 minutes to have the whole thing up and running, working on your smartphone. So we'll just have a quick overview here of exactly what we're getting. So we've set the system up on our monitor here. So we have a total of 4 cameras. This is the outer box that comes in. The 4 cameras are in front of us. If you look on the back of each of the cameras, what we have here is there's an external power connection here. In 99% of applications it won't be used, but if you needed to or wanted to, if you had a very, very long cable run, for example, you might make a decision that you want to come along and power the camera locally, but generally it won't be the case. There's a very large power unit with it to be able to support both the hard drive, the NVR, and the 4 cameras. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the network switch here, and the network switch is being used in 2 ways. One is running the picture back from the IP camera to the NVR, but it's also running power from the NVR directly into the camera itself. So that's just repeated 4 times. Now we have other videos that are within the overall series here, and they are covering things like troubleshooting, downloading the app, setting it up, doing recordings, playing backs, things like that. So we have a very, very comprehensive range. But overall, like the product itself and the design of the UniView products is so intuitive and so simple, particularly compared to its direct comparators. It's very, very strong. And the final reason that we've sort of gone with UniArch, UniView is simply because they're very competitive in the marketplace in terms of pricing, things like that. They're growing very, very quickly in the marketplace, and they're doing it through a combination of good distributors, hopefully like ourselves, great products, and also very, very competitive pricing.